Welcome. This is a practice of non-sleep deep rest, a guided journey designed to bring your body and mind into a state of restful awareness without falling asleep. You'll be guided through a calming breathing technique, progressive body awareness, whole body integration, and a reflection on gratitude, resetting your nervous system and cultivating a deep relaxation while maintaining awareness. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your eyes close and allow your attention to gently turn inward. The practice begins now. We'll begin with 3 physiological sighs, a simple yet powerful technique to release tension and prepare your body for deep rest. Inhale deeply through your nose, take a small sip of air at the top, and exhale fully through your mouth. Again, inhale, sip in more air, and exhale completely, letting go of any remaining tension. One last time. Inhale, sip, and exhale fully. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. Feel the surface you're resting on, and allow your body to become still. Bring your attention to the surface beneath you. Feel the back of your head, your shoulders, your upper back, arms. Feel the weight of your hips and pelvis, your legs, your heels. Allow gravity to do the work. No resistance, just ease. Now bring your awareness to the thumb of your right hand. Notice any sensation or simply its presence. Now move to your index finger. Shift your focus to your middle finger, then your ring finger, and the little finger. Now expand your awareness to include your entire right hand, feeling its weight and shape. Move your attention to your wrist. Sense the joint. Shift awareness to your forearm, feeling any lightness or heaviness there. Move up to your elbow, noticing any pressure or stillness. Now to your upper arm, sensing the muscles relaxing. Focus on your shoulder, allow it to soften and release any tension. Now bring awareness to the right side of your chest. Feel the gentle movement of your breath. Move to the right side of your waist, relaxing the muscles along your side. shift focus to your hip. Feel your right thigh, your knee, your shin. Bring awareness to your ankle, the top of your foot, the sole of your foot. Your right big toe. One by one, bring attention to your second toe, the third, fourth, and fifth toe. Now feel your entire right leg and foot together, resting in stillness. Now shift awareness to the thumb of your left hand. Move to your index finger, then your middle finger, your ring finger, and your little finger. Now expand your focus to your entire left hand, resting. Bring awareness to your left wrist. Move up your forearm, your elbow, your upper arm, your left shoulder, feel the left side of your chest, your left side of your waist, then your hip, sensing stability and support beneath you. Bring awareness to your left thigh, your knee, your shin. Now focus on your ankle, the top of your foot, the sole of your foot, your big toe. Bring awareness to your second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and your fifth toe. Now sense your entire left leg and foot, heavy and relaxed. Now bring awareness to the crown of your head, sensing its presence. Move to your forehead, your temples, ears, bring awareness to your eyes, relax your cheeks, your jaw, and your mouth. Let everything soften. Move your focus to your throat, your chest, bring attention to your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, fingers. Feel your abdomen relaxed and moving naturally with the breath. Move down to your pelvis, then your thighs, your knees, shins, ankles, your feet and toes. Your whole body is now resting in deep awareness. Now hold your entire body in awareness at once. Feel your body as a single, unified presence. Now, bring to mind something you are grateful for. It could be a person, a moment, a memory. Feel the gratitude as a sensation in your body. Notice where it arises. Let it expand, spreading through your chest, the arms, face, your entire body. When you feel ready, bring your attention to the surface you're resting on. Bring awareness back to the space around you and feel your entire body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly blink your eyes open, returning refreshed, restored, and present. Smile and carry with you the memory of this awareness and the ease it brings, knowing that you can revisit this feeling whenever you choose. This completes your non-sleep deep rest practice. You are renewed, rebalanced, and fully awake.